Hey there, fellow digital marketers. I'm so thrilled to share something truly special with you today. You know, I always recommend things that I know are not just good, but game changers. And guess what? I've stumbled upon a unique system that's been delivering results for months, and I couldn't resist giving it a shot. For the past 5 months, I've seen its creator consistently share about this new system. So what sets it apart? Well, they don't rely on lists or their current following. No smoke and mirrors here. They've even gone the extra mile to create new social media accounts just to test their own system. And the best part? They practice what they preach. Using this process, they personally made thousands. Are you intrigued? If you check out my page via the link below, you'll find the named products and the amounts they've earned. It's transparent, it's real, and it's impressive. Over the last couple of days, I invested about 8 hours diving deep into this system. The training, the case studies, the whole 9 yards. Let me tell you, it's impressive, and it works for anyone, regardless of your current skill. So if you're into affiliate marketing, you absolutely need to check this out. While others might be regurgitating what they've read and watched elsewhere, I'm here to help you truly understand the ins and outs of this game-changing system. So stick around and let's unravel the secrets together. Ready to elevate your affiliate marketing game? Then click the link below and let's embark on this journey together. So just by clicking the link in the description below this video, it takes you here to my page. And this is for the promotional launch of the product CopyCatalyst CPS, which just launched a couple of days ago. And I wanted to give you an overview, but before I get into CopyCatalyst CPS, I wanted to go ahead and show you the bonuses that you will receive just by picking up the front end of CopyCatalyst CPS. So bonus number 1 for me is ChatGPT Masterclass. This is a complete masterclass chock full of 20 videos to help you use ChatGPT effectively in your affiliate marketing. Bonus number 2 is a 12-step tutorial on how to build a better business. Now, this is a complete training, 12 steps to building a better business. Bonus number 3 is a masterclass on how to create vertical videos from your desktop or laptop. Bonus number 4 is a masterclass called the No List Secret. And inside of this masterclass, you'll learn how to build your business without a list, starting from scratch. And bonus number 5, of course, are the vendor bonuses, which if I flip over now, just by picking up the front end of CopyCatalyst, you will see that you'll get all of my bonuses as well as the vendor bonuses. And bonus number 1 is a product called Scope. It's an 82K free offer system anyone can use to make sales without affiliates. And number 2 is AI Avatar Secrets. 3.2 million views from just one short celebrity AI video, which you can create for free in minutes. Bonus number 3 in the vendor bonuses is AII, how to turn ChatGPT in 60 seconds into $120.73 over and over again without any skill, and you can do it tomorrow. And then lastly, but most importantly, copy and paste side hustles. 2 simple and realistic methods you can start using today to make money, extra money online this week. So back to my page that you got to by clicking the link in the description below this video. So at any time during my review of CopyCatalyst CPS, you can click any of these purple buttons here to go ahead and click secure your copy of CopyCatalyst CPS. And once you click any of these purple buttons that you see all throughout my bonus page here, it'll take you directly to the sales page, which you will also have a chance to watch their video sales letter if you want to get more information. It's about 3 minutes. of more information, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing, and how you can use this system to produce results very quickly without having to have a list. And then here are the results that they've gotten, and then here are some other things that they received from their users, testimonials, all throughout the sales page. So I'll let you go ahead and look at that when you click on any of these links. This one, and all the others below. So I just want to let you know that this is a promotional launch, and there's special pricing all throughout the funnel. And the launch expires next Wednesday, and this expires Wednesday, February 7th at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. So what is CopyCatalyst CPS all about? Well, in a nutshell, CPS stands for copy, paste, and share. And it's all anyone needs to do to pocket affiliate commissions using CopyCatalyst CPS. So this distills down to mean that there's no subscriber lists required, no landing pages or any other kind of web page required, no experience required, no traffic to look for or source, no skill required apart from the ability to copy, paste, and share, and no cost to implement. And there's really no theory either. This is an actual working system. CopyCatalyst CPS details a process that Mark and John spent months creating, tweaking, perfecting, and using themselves. And now I'm using it too. Using it enables us and anyone else to ethically leverage other people's assets and third-party platforms to quickly create and simple cost-free sales process for any digital products we like, which can and usually does start generating us commission payments in hours. So what it looks like once you purchase your copy of CopyCatalyst, I'll take you inside the members area. You've got a complete layout. It's a very easy to follow system. Okay, it's very, very important that you follow the instructions, even if it's so super simple. It is very, very simple. But you might get a little bit wonky in the beginning if you don't go through the complete training. So, because even though it's simple and cost-free and super easy to implement and free to implement, and it's really an obvious favorite for beginners, it is still very important that you do go through all of the CPS instructions, the copy, paste, share instructions, before you start implementing your first project, okay? I'm one of those people that like to just cut to the chase and just start after it. But I found it much, much easier in solving way more time just by going through and spending a little bit of time inside of the training, okay? So this is an introduction, welcome, and then you want to read the copy, paste, share system step-by-step instructions. This purple video, this purple button here is what you need to click once you first get your copy and you go dive right in. Even if you skip over this video, you need to go straight to the CPS system and learn and read the instructions there. That way you can start, okay? And then I also picked up some of these other products here underneath my dashboard, which I'm going to share with you here in just a minute. So I just wanted to show you an inside look at the CPS system. Super easy to use, but you just need to follow the instructions. And going into that, here are some of the results that Mark and John, his team, achieved using the system. These are the 4 products. These are the amounts of money that they earned and the hours of work that they earned that money in. And so, and due to the simple formula and the step-by-step instructions, existing assets to copy from and free third-party platforms, you now have the potential to do the same. So the price, super simple, easy peasy. The front end is only $17. And they give you, inside of the members area, just showed you, a start to finish breakdown of the system, over the shoulder videos, full instructions, account setup, a built-in user account traction builder, and actual case studies and results. And they also have an order book, which I purchased, which you get an additional $2,000 worth of case studies. I love it because I wanted to see what people were actually making beyond, the amount that they were showing here. 40 minutes of work on this FU Money product that they promoted. $154 in 40 minutes. That's not too shabby. And then here are the upgrades, which I showed that are inside of the members area if you decide to purchase those. They also have down sells, which is really the only difference on all of the down sells is that you don't have to spend the full amount on each of these upgrades. You can split it into 2 payments. Okay? So there's 4 upgrades. The IMLA formula, they have a 5K coaching platform, and it consists of, like it says here, 60 videos and all kinds of checklists and case studies and examples and this and that. So that's for those of you that are really truly serious about your own personal development and diving deep into using a system that is going to be around. It's not going away. These guys only produce evergreen products, and this is one of the many reasons why I wanted to show you this today, because it's also evergreen and it will be around for a while. So the promotional prices may or may not be the same next Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on February 7th. But I just wanted to let you know that this product isn't going away. It's going to be here for a while. So here are the guys' pictures. And again, once you get your copy, then you can decide to get the upgrades later. You get all of my 4 bonuses plus the 4 vendor bonuses. And it's a really great deal. Well over into $1,500 of just bonuses. And when you decide, if this is your first time picking up this product or picking up any product on the Warrior Plus platform, once you click the button here, or any of the purple buttons here, take you directly to the sales page. And that's when you have to go down and find any get instant access buttons here to actually purchase using any of these credit cards. There is a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can take a deep dive into it for 14 days, and if you don't like it, you're not seeing results, then you're more than welcome to get a refund on your purchase. But I can say, if you actually do the work and you read the instructions and do the work, you will make money. You'll easily make your investment, and multiple times over that. So you have to do your own due diligence. Kick the tires, look under the hood, check it out for yourself. But do the work and you will make money. And it's really cool. I really love it. So back to my bonus page. Again, it's a Warrior Plus platform. And the way it works is that you make your purchase on the sales page by clicking any links on my bonus page here. And they'll be able to deliver your product via email. And there will also be a link to my bonuses. And the bonuses will be delivered separately to you. And the bonuses from the vendor will also become automatically after you purchase the front end. They'll send you another email, separate email, with your bonuses. So you'll get the product, you get the members area that I showed you here, you'll get the bonuses, and then also just wanted to give you a snapshot of all the reviews, but you can see these on the sales page. And if you want to get more reviews and more ways that you can justify the purchase, you may want to check out the order bump, because I checked it out. I thought that was really cool, because I learned a lot. And these are real people, of course, but I just wanted to make sure that you understood and knew that. So if you have any comments or suggestions or any questions, feel free to post a comment in this, in the link below, in the video, below the video here, and I'll respond directly. And really appreciate you taking the time to check out my information, my review of CopyCatalyst CPS. I really enjoyed having the extra couple of days that I took after the product launched a couple of days ago. I decided just really to check this out for myself, because I thought it's, when you talk about, things that a lot of these companies claim, turn 3 hours into $769.10, then you want to go ahead and inspect that and check it out. And that's what I did. and I'm giving you my best recommendation in this product. And if you like what you see here and you want to see more of my upcoming digital product reviews and trainings, go ahead and click the, give me a like. Give me a solid like. I would like that. And click on the subscribe button, and then click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all my upcoming digital product reviews and trainings. So without further ado, go ahead and take a deep dive, take a look at it, watch the videos on the sales page, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.